Hey, have you ever looked at that giant laundry detergent jug and thought there has to be an easier way? Well, I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. So I have been using these laundry detergent sheets, which was a crazy thought to me at first. And they are such a simple way to swap if you want something less messy and less bulky in your laundry room. So instead of dealing with heavy bottles, sticky caps, detergent spills, you know, all the things, you literally just grab a sheet and toss it in with your clothes. That's it. Literally, these are linen scented version, so your clothes come out smelling fresh and clean without being overpowering. So one of the things that I really like is that they are dye-free and hypoallergenic, which is great if you have sensitive skin, kids in your house, or you just want to try to avoid a lot of unnecessary extras in your laundry. They also dissolve evenly in cold water as well as warm or hot, which is a really big deal because not every detergent does it that well. So whether you're washing everyday clothes, towels, gym wear, whatever, a quick load on the cold cycle, I promise these are super easy to use. I will also show you, you can throw in a full sheet or they're already perforated. You can tear them right in half and just use half of one. I also think that these are really practical to use in small spaces, especially if you live in a small apartment. Look how simple, like that is all it is. That's all the space it takes up. There are 80 strips in this pack. So if you don't like a lot of clutter, these barely take up any space. And they're very awesome for travel too. I was thinking how easy this would be to throw in a suitcase if you are going in an RV or if you're camping or even just headed to the laundromat. I guarantee you I'm going to be taking these on my next cruise because this is the way to go and not have to even pay for laundry detergent on your cruise. So you get, again, 80 loads in one pack. And I love that they feel like zero waste, practically, really, because there's not much here. They are streamlined as an option compared to traditional liquid detergent. So if you're looking for space-saving, easy-to-use laundry detergent that's gentle and convenient, I would highly recommend that you check these out. Again, I'm going to hold them up close. These are the active laundry detergent sheets. I think these are a great find. You definitely want to check them out.